Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create collections on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel, click on Products. Now in here, we are going to click on Collections. Now, if this is your first time, that will be a big add collection right here, or big add collection button. If not, you got to click on add collection at the very top, just like so. Now give it a name or a title. For example, computers collection. Okay. Now give it a description if you want to, but you can leave it blank. Add in some image. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and generate an image right here from the Shopify's AI. Computers. Just wait a bit and in no time you'll have your image. You can keep it or add in some prompts if you want to. For example, you wanted to remove some stuffs right here, but I'm happy with that. I'm going to keep it. Okay. Wait for the process to finish right here. Once done, make sure that it is selected. Click on done. There we go. Now scroll down. Collection type right here, manual or smart. Smart is basically automatic. Existing and future products that match the conditions you set will automatically be added to this collection. So if I were you, if you don't want to mess around the settings right here, you can just go ahead and click on manual and add it in manually. So search for products. I'm going to go ahead and add in my products. For example, I have posted computers. Okay, I'm going to add these two. Add. There you go. And then once that's done, actually you're good to go. You can go ahead and click on save, wait for it, and you're done. Here we have our collection. You can go ahead and click on collections once more. And as you can see, you now have the computers collection right here. You can add as many collections as you want. Now, if you want to know more about Shopify, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos for you. That is how you create collections on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.